Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy. Donnie. Back at it again with another video. We're doing nachos tonight. I know I did tacos earlier this morning, but we're gonna continue the whole little Mexican series. Well, check out my Taco Bell video that I did yesterday, earlier, and then my homemade tacos that I did early this morning. Now we're doing nachos. It's gonna get it in. Yeah. I'm about to add some lettuce to this because yesterday it was kind of slapping. So, yeah, let's get it. Alright, before I get into this, you already know, I'm about to say prayer. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless this food. Make it nourishing to my body. In your mighty precious name, I pray. Amen. Alright. Thank you for the amens over there. Alright.
Dang, Baltimore's about to lose.
Yo, hopefully.
Dang.
How you guys doing today?
They're still going to be number one.
Woo.
If they lose, they're out.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy, yeah.
Yeah.
So they're watching the game right now.
Is the quarterback still going to get MVP?
Probably will. In the regular season, he deserves it.
Yeah. Baltimore getting it handed to them. Yeah, it's a big nacho. This is a shared nacho, son.
You don't want?
Well, there's 5 by left there. Well, should you do some of this? Yeah.
Yo, so I got some sour cream, some seasoned hamburger or ground beef, some nacho cheese, some shredded cheese,
Put a little less out of some.
some lettuce.
Hold on. Put it down here. Or actually put it on this box. We'll take it somewhere.
Having the hot sauce? The Valentina's?
Pass the chips.
So I was gonna try it with this last night. I'll try it with it today. Not really a spice person, but
Jaheim, can you make it?
we'll just try it.
I don't want to come out here.
Alright.
Done already did.
Alright. Yo, I hear my guest coming up this he went back downstairs.
And then the shredded lettuce.
Yo, so we trying it with oh yes, sir. Woohoo! Yo.
Hey, give me some of your stuff. Because then I'm not going to eat it all.
Where's Mom?
In the room?
Huh?
She's in the bathroom.
Uncle Dina, are you making a video?
Yo, say what's up to Percy. He got a haircut from the last time we seen him. Yo, man, you bringing in my views, so you gotta stay up here.
Uncle Dina,
About to share you nachos.
Uncle Dina.
We'll talk with Percy a little bit while I get these nachos. What's up, boy? Have a seat.
I didn't hear you. What's your
My intro?
yeah.
I'm gonna do it again. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dinah. Back at it again with another video. Got my boy Percy Love right here with me. What's up? We're sharing this nachos. Ooh. Sharing this goodness. Ew. Man, you be like, be loving.
Uncle Dina,
Okay.
Got it?
you remember that? It was me and you making a video.
A video?
Yeah.
You hear him always in video? Because he says it weird. But now he says it slow. He says, video.
Video.
Oh.
Oh, this is...
What's Mom?
She's in the bathroom.
The other bathroom.
In here?
No.
No.
Oh.
Next over here.
Downstairs.
No, not downstairs.
Yeah, I know, but it's in the other bathroom.
Hey.
The chips are on the
Oh.
Cry.
Quick question.
No. Let me tell him. Percy.
No, no, no. Tell him that.
Emo, you said the ground beef, what else?
Oh, is that my shit?
Shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, and then some sour cream.
What did you want?
No.
There's nachos or
Here.
the beef.
Tap in.
Cheese.
You know how I do my taco? Remember my video yesterday? I put the nacho cheese on the bottom. Then put the hamburger over it. I go with cheese on there. Sour cream. And it's a wrap.
Nah, I usually put my sour cream first.
Me, I put the ground beef. I put the shredded cheese so it can melt. Then I put the lettuce and sour cream on the
Because
top.
the sour cream is the hardest.
Yo,
thing,
I'm gonna be sharing my videos. Shout out to mom. You sharing my videos?
You want shredded cheese?
Oh, no, just,
That boy named Dino. Get at me.
What's up with the boy?
Okay.
No.
Let him know. Yo, what's up? Say, yo, what's up?
What's up,
It's your boy.
boy?
It's the boy.
It's the boy.
It's that boy. Name.
That boy.
What's your lettuce?
Name.
Name
The
Daniel.
normal cheese?
It's the boy. It's the boy.
The shredded lettuce, that, I mean,
Yo, everybody says it.
Shredded
It's your
cheese,
boy. It's your
that.
boy. It's your boy.
and then sour cream.
It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dino.
What's mom? What's mom? No.
She went to go pick up Doodoo.
Baby in the car. Baby go in the car.
Hey, Percy.
Yeah.
She went to pick up Doodoo.
Better not go outside.
Oh.
Yeah, they're coming back. She's coming back. See you
You
there.
took all the chips.
Sour cream on there?
Okay.
Sour cream. I mean, that's the sour cream. Yeah, these are Ella and
Yo, it's going down. Going down.
Yeah, why don't you
At the
sit
Taololo
there?
house.
Okay.
Lord, show me what's in your bowl, man. I don't know what it is, but oh well.
That's why some people have. Oh, Jaheen. There's hardly any meat in here.
Boy, why don't you put a lot of meat? The other got a naked taco. You know? Yo, did you know that there's no such thing as a crunchy taco?
There is such thing. It's just not an authentic thing.
A crunchy taco is considered a tostada.
You know, taco?
Tacos are the soft. That's what it is.
Tacos don't walk.
They walk.
Jane, can you put more in here? A little bit more meat here. This way.
Hey, is there any more meat and stuff? Like a lot or no?
No, for you.
Is there a lot left?
A decent amount.
Okay, bring it.
Can you do me a favor?
You like, you just go get some?
Can you put me some water, please?
But your mom
9.5.
still wants some.
No chips.
Yeah. It's going down for real.
No.
Mmm.
Good. Share with Anna because you're not going to eat all that.
Yo, shout out to the Titans. They just won. They're playing, Mom.
It's Jewels.
They're playing with the boy.
Don't know. What do you guys eat with you?
Oh. Have a seat. Have a eat.
No seat.
No seat. No.
How much is eat?
Lean over. Right there. Put one of your butt cheeks on there. Healthy.
Are you good there?
Believe.
Oh, Louis, stop pushing him down the stairs.
Shut up. You know that's something that Lawrence would do.
Wait. Is he crying?
Percy! Believe. Why is he crying?
Did you get the email from YouTube?
About
Sending your channel audience?
the audience? Oh, the kids and stuff? Yeah. Every video I change it up. So each video you have to mark it if it's okay for kids, if it's not. And I do that. Come on. Step on in.
I was going over.
You know, it's fat people, we think alike. He was going for the good. Yo, let me get some of this lettuce though.
Can I have the lettuce?
There's no more chicken here.
Put it on there.
Want some chips? Take some of these chips. There's a lot on the bottom. Yeah, tap in. Tap in. Y'all know what to do. Tap in.
Let's do the video.
Yeah. This is raw footage of how we eat in the house.
Alright.
Sometimes we share, sometimes we don't.
Alright. So this battle rapper, right? He goes live on IG. And he asks people different, like he asks people the questions, just to see, like where everyone's mindset, like their preference of life. So I ask you these questions.
Uncle Dino.
It just got serious, man.
Dino.
Yes.
I was crying
Why?
because I felt and I don't know. Is this your thing?
No, this is mine.
I like how you said that with a straight face.
He's looking at how my good. Look at that.
I fell.
I have.
I don't
Can I
know
do
why.
my water thing?
Hold on. No. Don't touch that.
Lawrence.
Don't touch it.
I can do it for myself.
No.
Let Uncle do it. Okay.
Whoa.
Is this table talk with DLO?
So there's a wife and a husband, right? And they're in love. They've been together for like 20 years. And the husband was like, told his wife, let's go jump off a cliff
No,
together.
I'm not going downstairs.
So they go to a cliff.
Downstairs.
The husband's like, okay, you ready? Like, okay, let's jump on 3. 1, 2, 3, jump. The husband jumps. The wife doesn't jump. But when the wife looked down, the husband has a parachute. Who's in the wrong? The wife for not jumping, or the husband for not,
Bro.
or the husband for having a parachute?
Is this good?
Depends.
Oh,
I heard this before.
that's hard.
I'm just asking.
What fool would jump off a damn cliff? Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
It depends on what they're going to do after when they allegedly died.
No, but who's in the wrong though? Like it doesn't matter about who died. Like who's in the wrong.
I feel like it's the husband's fault. For even, I don't know, like, why would you persuade somebody to jump off the cliff with you? Unless his intentions were to kill his wife and save his own life. I mean...
Oh, it was the husband who wanted to jump?
Yeah, so he wanted to tell... Well, he wanted his wife to jump off the cliff with him. But he already had it in the back of his mind to save himself rather than to have his wife survive.
Okay.
So I feel like it was his fault, and because he already had intentions of, he already had a plan B to his plan A. All right.
So you go to the movies, right? And you're with your side chick. And while you're at the movies, you see your wife with her side dude.
Ooh.
Are you gonna stop her?
Damn. Well, DLO, that's a good question.
Pretend I don't know you. Just keep on.
I don't know how I would do that. I don't know
You know, Lawrence?
how I would be in that situation.
Lawrence?
Well, then listen. Walk past them.
Just pretend like y'all don't know each other.
No, but she doesn't see you though. You see her, but she doesn't see you.
Oh, I guess it all depends on what the outcome would be after the fact that if you guys did make contact.
I was just asking. So you have a wife. Y'all been together for about 8 years. Y'all have 2 kids. 1 boy, 1 girl. The boy's he was in a bad accident. Right? On Monday he was in a bad accident. On Tuesday they draw blood and he found out he isn't yours. Wednesday he has to have surgery. You have to give him his kidney. But you have to give him his kidney. Are you gonna give it to him?
Yeah.
But what if it's not compatible? Then there's no point of giving the kidney.
No, I'm saying like.
And he's saying you are compatible. You're the one that's supposed to give him.
But
right?
our blood don't match. If I find out that that's not my son. That's what he said. The guy finds out that that's not his son when they do a blood draw.
Yeah, but
So if the
No,
blood does,
not
it's not like that.
Oh,
He's
Yeah, but
saying
I'm just saying.
oh
like,
yeah, I'm giving it.
Yeah.
I'm giving it. No doubt.
I'm just asking. Just asking.
When you want his wife.
Your mom and dad.
Dad.
Your mom and dad.
Talk about that.
Your mom and dad. Right now they're looking at life in prison. All you have to do is snitch on your dad for your mom to come home. Is your mom coming home?
Yeah.
I'm sitting on my dad. I'm sorry. You lived a long life.
In Lawrence's situation, he was like, "Yo, my mom coming home."
Mate, which dad?
Say no more. Alright.
Jaheim, watch this.
Alright.
Yo, we smacked this.
Alright. So you got 2 homies, your right hand man and your left hand man. You know, you grew up with his diapers.
Them double our boys, you know what I
So
mean?
your right hand man, you found out that he was like, on the same day, same time. You found out he was gay. Your left hand man, you find out he was a snitch. Who you more mad at?
Uncle Dinah.
Probably the snitch.
Snitch.
Uncle Dinah.
Why? The gay guy will talk too.
No, what's up with the boy?
You're right. You're right.
What's up with the
I mean, yeah. Alright.
boy?
I'd rather be mad at the snitch. I don't need nobody snitching on me. I mean, your preference is whatever, man. Do what you do.
Alright.
What's up with your
I'm on my ear with that ear.
Alright.
What's up?
Dude.
What's up with the boy?
Alright.
Uh-huh.
What's up with the boy?
Dana, you have 15 minutes. But anyways.
Who do you care about more? The person that you lied to or the person that you told the truth to?
Like
The person that I lied to or the person that I told the truth to?
Who do you care about more?
I don't know. I do the same. I feel like
Grandma.
you can do the same thing to the same person. So say I lied and told the truth to Lawrence. It would be the same thing. It would. I don't know.
Angelina,
Yes.
what do we melt?
What? For 100,000. You got 100,000, right?
Well, I don't know.
So you can either go either way. So you know, a bottle of what is that? Like what's that called? Mouthwash, full of pee.
The boy died.
10 caps. Each cap is 10 racks.
The boy.
Gargle
Dinah.
peas. So
Uncle Dinah.
spit it out.
Dinah.
10 caps, 100,000. Or
Dinah.
kiss a porn star straight off a set.
Uncle Dinah.
What you doing for the 100K?
Uncle Dinah, look. Uncle Dinah.
I feel like I do both.
Like
rather-
straight off a set, like you know.
Uncle Dinah. Uncle Dinah.
You didn't say how I kiss him. Like I mean, I just kiss.
No, I'm talking about like
Yes, boy.
you know, first kiss and all, and
The
you
boy.
know, like man, done.
Dinah. What's up with the boy?
100K, 100K.
I kissed the porn star.
Lawrence,
I don't know.
Hell no, I ain't gargling no damn pee.
Yeah, no pee. What the heck?
What was the last question you asked?
I don't
Would
think
you
you
kiss
can
the-
drink pee.
Would you
That's
kiss the
kinda
porn
gross.
star right on
Yeah.
the
Actually, that's
set?
kind of gross.
either way, it's yeah, I don't know.
Can it be your pee?
Actually, your pee, that's normal. What, it's your
Yeah.
stuff.
Alright,
But-
right here. A button right here. You can press this button, you get $1 million. But that button kills one person in the whole world. It could be anybody. It could be your mom or dad, but then there's 7 billion people in the world. You never know.
Bro,
You gonna press that button?
I am.
I would.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would.
I know people die every day.
That's what
Every
these
second.
get shot every day.
I would, honestly.
That's all
So,
day.
like, if it's with
Would
family,
you press that button for $1 million?
like, if my family, like, I'll pay for your funeral.
Oh!
Like, I need, like,
Like, do I get $1 million for every time I press it?
Alright.
Is there a chance of you dying yet?
No.
Ooh!
No, there's someone else.
Someone. Alright.
What a thing. Deep
Alright.
thinker.
But what if it happens to be somebody get close to you? You never know.
That's what I'm saying. You
I'm
never
still
know.
paying. I'm still paying for a funeral.
But well,
Peace out, but like.
what if it's your mom?
She
He's
gets
out.
Was that $1 million worth it?
Nah, it wouldn't be worth it.
Mom.
You never know.
I mean,
He's
she
kinda
didn't
old.
get grandma status, so
She made
I mean,
She's
She's
lived
lived a
a
life.
good life. I'm not wondering. Are you serious?
these questions are too good.
Alright. So, same thing. You got a wife, you know? 7 years. You'll be together 7 years. but then
Auntie, pass the lettuce in the sour.
one day you get home early and you walk in on her. And she's getting hit by a dyke.
Damn.
Yo, this is not for the kids, you know. I'm being that girl. I'm being that girl, but I don't give a damn.
Are you gonna stay with her or?
Heck no, what the heck?
You're not gonna stay with your wife?
What?
I don't know, that's weird.
I would, but I'll beat the girl up.
Yeah, I would beat the girl up too. Oh. If it's a dyke, then
I'm leaving.
technically, if she act like a dude and she swing on me too, then I'm swinging back.
Yeah. It's like,
Okay,
you come at me like a man, I'm hitting you like a man. Like that, basically.
Cause I'm not trying to get arrested and hit them first.
But how would they know that you they hit you first?
Witness, my wife.
What if she lied on
What
you
if she
because
won't
she
be
just
the
cheated
witness?
you? She just cheated
And
on
I'll pick her
you.
up too. I don't give a damn.
Damn, like hitting girls?
Wow. Fair warning to Lawrence's future wife.
He's killing someone.
He's killing somebody and it could be you with that button.
Would you rather be feared by all or loved by all?
Ooh. I wouldn't want nobody to fear me. I mean,
Oh, really? You don't know what the bathroom is at yet?
fear by all or love by all? That's a good question. I could care less if anybody loves me, but then I wouldn't want nobody to fear
Don't
me.
make no bounty, boy.
But either way,
You don't know
people
how
gonna
to
listen to
bounty,
you
boy.
no matter what.
Yo, can you pour me some milk in here and pass me my syrup? Don't touch my syrup. Don't touch my strawberry syrup, dog. Don't fill it all.
I'd be feared by all.
Huh?
Feared by all.
Feared by all?
because-
I'll probably be loved by all.
Yeah,
If-
look,
if-
Lyle,
If I'm feared by
Yo.
all,
you are
I
gonna
would-
take your spot. You hear me?
Yo, this is strawberry milk right now.
Yeah,
About leaving like
that means I would
10 minutes.
technically run the world.
Thank you.
I could do
Yo,
anything
these
in the
questions
world
are
without
really,
me.
really deep. Who is this rapper?
Sue Surf.
Sue Surf. Asian cat?
No.
Millie?
Jersey.
Jersey, baby. Oh, that's New Orleans. You from Chirac with your fat back. You heard me? You heard me?
I'm in the streets, you hear me?
Yeah, remember how you said that Grandma's the only one that shares your videos?
No, I didn't say she's the only one. I
Oh,
said
okay.
she'd be sharing my video.
I mean,
Back
I
up.
be sharing
Oh,
your
that was
videos from time to time.
You wish. Yeah, I know. Yo, those are some dope
Darn.
questions. I'm gonna have to check this guy out. Sue Surf? Yo. Those are some in-depth kind of questions. Yo. Boy. Stink booty little boy.
Whose chicken is this? Who makes the chicken in that
Grandma's.
random moment?
Yo, they got the Seahawks over there cheering them up. Let's go.
Where? See how it's won, you hear me?
Yo, so I think I'm gonna call this video. We about to hit the 30-minute mark. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let your boy know what kind of content you want to see. Don't forget to tell your mom, your dad, your grandma, your side chick, your dyke chick, your side boyfriend at the movie theater.
Go Hawks.
And let's go Hawks, man. Alright. But yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please show your boy love. Catch you guys on the next video. And yeah. Like we do it, man. And we're out.